How do commercial heat pumps compare to traditional boiler systems for heating large buildings? The difference between heat pumps and boilers mainly lies in the difference in producing heat. Traditional commercial boilers generate heat through the combustion of natural gas or other fuels, whereas modern condensing boilers are highly efficient, often achieving efficiencies above 90%, but they still rely on burning fossil fuels to produce heat. On the other hand, commercial heat pumps operate differently. Heat pumps transfer thermal energy from the surrounding air, ground, or water source into a building. This process allows heat pumps to achieve efficiencies significantly higher than traditional combustion systems. One of the most common questions surrounding commercial heat pumps concerns costs. Traditional boiler replacement projects usually involve lower upfront expenditure, particularly where existing infrastructure can be retained. Heat pump installations often require greater initial investment due to equipment costs, system design requirements, electrical upgrades, and building optimization measures. However, there is also the total cost of ownership. Heat pumps can deliver significant energy savings over their operational lifetime and lower operational emissions, which can provide financial benefits. Both heat pumps and boilers require planned maintenance, but the requirements differ. Traditional boiler maintenance focuses on combustion performance, flue integrity, safety checks, and fuel efficiency. Heat pump maintenance is generally centered on refrigeration circuits, compressors, heat exchangers, filters, and control systems. When properly maintained, modern commercial heat pumps can provide reliable long-term operation while delivering consistent energy savings and reduced carbon emissions. To conclude, commercial heat pumps and traditional boiler systems each have strengths, but the future of commercial heating is increasingly centered on efficient, lower carbon technologies. While boilers continue to have a role in many applications, heat pumps offer significant opportunities to reduce energy consumption, lower emissions, and support long-term compliance objectives. By evaluating heating as part of a wider energy strategy rather than a simple equipment replacement, commercial property owners can improve efficiency, manage costs, and future-proof their assets for years to come. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.